Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to add location logo in Word document. This is very simple and easy. Let's get started. First of all, you need to click on the insert and on the right side menu bar you will see that insert an icon. Click on that and here you can see that there are so many stock images of icons available. Type here location and here you need to select the location and click on insert. Make sure your computer must be connected with the internet and here you can see that location logo is added. So if you want to change the color of the location logo you need to click on that and you will see that on the top menu bar graphic format option and under the graphic fill you need to click on that and pick the color of your choice. And if you want to change the outlines click on the graphic outlines and whatever the color of your choice click on that. And if you want to make some graphic effect click on that and here you can see some glow effects and click on choice of your glow effects and here you can see that the graphic effect has been applied. So moreover when I try to move it on the Word document page it is not moving. So what you need to do is click on that and on the right side layout options click on that and you need to select the in front of text. Click on that and close it. Now you can move it anywhere on the Word document. So I hope this video helpful to you to understand that how to add location logo in Word documents. If you think the video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.